Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. We're gonna be playing around with the brand new Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I adore and love Jackie so much. She is literally probably my favorite person to watch on YouTube. I just love her. I love her personality. She's literally the greatest. I saw she was coming out with a palette with Anastasia. I was so excited, like you guys don't even understand. And then once I saw the colors, I was like, wow, truly right up my alley. So today we're gonna be playing around with this palette, doing a little look. This is the look that I came up with today in true Jackie fashion. I am even wearing a wig. It's not really a wig, it's a freaking ponytail extension, but whatever, you know, it's fine. Also, I didn't want to do my hair, so you guys are wondering, this is my Bella ponytail from insert name here. It is truly like my favorite ponytail, I think, because it's so cute. Yeah, let me just show you guys the packaging and everything. This is what the box looks like. It is so pretty. It's like iridescent, and then the actual palette itself is also iridescent, and it has Jackie's little signature on the front. This is what the beautiful inside looks like. I really love the colors in here. I saw pinks and purples, and you know my mind was like, ooh, go towards those. So I used obviously those shades today. You got your pinks, you got your purples, you got your browns, you got your golds, you got your pops of color. Just like really pretty colors in here. I love the color story. It's really nice. It retails for $45. It has launched on the Anastasia website. I checked, it's still available on the website. I think it is going to be in stores. I don't know exactly 100%. Let me check real quick. Let me check Trend Mood. It will be available in stores. So like Sephora, Ulta on August 15th, and that will be online on Sephora and Ulta, and then also in stores as well. Also, I think if you sign up for like text from Anastasia, that's what I did, just to get 15% off, and it worked on the palette, so you guys can get 15% off of doing that. I don't know, it like popped up on the screen when I was like checking out, so I was like, yes. You know, I've been pretty vocal in the past that I don't really care for like Anastasia palettes. Like, they're not like my absolute favorite. They're not like bad. I didn't really like Subculture. I like the Alyssa Edwards palette, but I still had some issues blending some of the shadows. But you guys will see what I think about these shadows. And here are two pressed pigments in here, which I believe are Supreme and Pinker, which are these two shades right here. Anyways, so happy for Jackie. Congrats, girl. You did that. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here using the new Jackie Aina and ABH palette, and want to hear my final thoughts on this palette at the end of the video, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get into it. I'm so excited. I don't know, like just this packaging and everything alone is so pretty. So my voice is like coming in and out. It's like kind of cracking. I don't know, I'm still dealing with whatever cough I have or whatever. So please ignore my voice. So many pinks and purples and stuff in here. Like, I'm just really excited. Go ahead and prime my eyes using the Anastasia eye primer. I mentioned this already, but I do like this primer. I've been using it since I bought it, but I also like still kind of feel like different about it. Like, I don't know how I feel. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed, I think I'm going to start off with the shade Supreme, which is the like lighter pink shade in here. I picked up a lot of product. Okay, so I'm just going to blend out my primer really quick. I'm going to start packing that on. I think I'm going to do a halo eye, you guys, today. I haven't done a halo eye in a minute, and I'm feeling a halo eye. So just packing it on inner and outer corner, and then blending that into the crease. This was very pigmented right away. And it seems to be blending out really nicely. I don't know, let me check. I don't think these ones are like pressed pigments. Oh, there is some pressed pigments in here. Okay, the one that I used was a pressed pigment. Supreme, Pinker. I think those are the only two pressed pigments. So the Pinker, the pink shades in here. I mentioned my issue kind of with the pressed pigments in the Alyssa Edwards video, where like I had issues blending, but these ones don't seem to be having that issue. Maybe because they're not like super bright, intense colors. I don't know, but I'm not having an issue blending this one out like at all. It's blending super easily. Like I said, I was just placing that pretty much first in the inner and outer corner, and then I'll blend the rest into the crease. It is so pretty. You guys know I love pink eyeshadow. I just did this eye like really quick, and it blends so nicely. I was a little scared that I was gonna have kind of like, you know, the issue that I had with the Alyssa Edwards palette, where like it kind of took forever to blend, but this one I'm not having that issue at all. Okay, next I'm going to go into the shade Pinker, which is just the next shade over. It's a little bit of like a darker mauve-y purple. And this one looks like one of those mattes that have glitter in it. So usually the glitter will kind of blend out. I'm taking a ColourPop E9. And I'm going to do kind of basically the same thing, inner and outer corner, start blending that into the crease. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade. And then with whatever's left, I drag that into the crease. So pretty. I'm going to go back with the brush that I was using with Supreme, not with any additional product, and I'm just going to blend that out. Oh, I love this color. It's so pretty. It adds like just the right amount of depth, but also like doesn't make it too purpley, so I like that. Really like that these shadows, they pack on a lot of pigment at first, but it's also not like where when you stamp it on, it's like stamped and like there's so much pigment, you know, kind of like how the Alyssa Edwards and like Subculture and stuff, like where there was so much pigment it was kind of hard to blend out. This one is like just the right amount. So I love this so far. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of purple because it's me. So I'm gonna take Big Wig. I just love the name so much. So I'm taking Big Wig. Taking like a little bit. I just want to start off with a little bit and see how that looks first. I'm going to add this right on the outermost corner just to add some more depth. Go back with Pinker and just blend that out. I feel like if I don't go in with Wigglies, it should be sent to the electric chair. So I'm going to use it because I need to. It is so beautiful. Do you guys just see like how pretty that is? I'm going to just put this in the center of where I left it blank. Yes. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm going to wet this one though. I'm going to take the brush that I used Pinker with to blend out the edges. I'm gonna wet my brush just so I can get like maximum metallicness here. Oh, look at that. There we go. So pretty. This with like a red eyeshadow and then like this just like right on top. Ooh, I'm ready. Going back with a little bit of Pinker to blend that together. I think I want to take some of Zam on top of that. Take the little brush that comes in the palette and I am gonna, oh my god, this color is so pretty. I'm gonna wet it because it is kind of glittery, so I just want it to like stick to the brush a little bit. And I'm gonna put that like right in the center, I think. So I like to, what I do when I do halo eyes, I like to close my eye and see like where my pupil or like where my eyeball like makes that part of my eye stick out the most. And oh my god, this color is so pretty. Yes. Wow. I just want to take that everywhere now. I'm putting that on top of Wigglies basically. But I'm focusing it mostly in the center, like that center highlight shade. I'm actually going to take a little bit more and spray my brush with that. Oh, this is such a pretty color. I don't know like what it is. It's not like your typical gold eyeshadow. It is just like beautiful. Going back with Pinker just to kind of blend everything together. I had just did like my base and everything right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner. This is the ColourPop Piggy Bank Cream Gel Liner. It's just a purple liner. I feel like that'll look really pretty in the waterline with this. So for my lower lash line, I am gonna go in. I'm gonna start with Pinker, just because I want that color mostly down first. So I'm taking this. Also, I really love this brush for my lower lash line. It's a Luxie 131. it's just like the perfect size. A little bit further down, you guys know I like to really smoke out my lower lash line, so you don't have to bring it like this far down if you don't want to. Well, I feel like this isn't even that far down, but I do want to kind of smoke it out a little bit. I take Supreme to just go right underneath that to blend out the edges. I take Big Wig on like the tip of this brush and go like right at the lash line. For my inner corner, I think I'm going to take Trust Issues because it is magical. Like, are you joking? It's so pretty. It's like a green gold, I don't know, but it's so pretty. So I'm gonna take that. This is my favorite little inner corner brush. It's the Makeup Jack T58. Oh wow. Yes, yes, on a million levels, yes. It's like a, oh my god, it doesn't look like it's gonna be that in the pan. I think that's why she said she named it that, because it looks like it's gonna be like super white, but it's not, and it's beautiful. It has like this like glitter sparkle to it. Oh my god. I'm taking it on the center. This little teeny tiny brush, this is from, I don't know where this is from. Okay, but I'm taking that and I'm gonna spray it, and I'm gonna take that right, oh god, this is so pretty, right on the center. These shades are just like unreal. They're so beautiful. That freaking Trust Issue shades is so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, my lips, highlight, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I put on the Persona Pink Gloss, and I think it goes really good with this look. So let me give you guys my overall thoughts on this palette. This palette is so good. I definitely think that this formula, it reminds me a lot. I think this is honestly the best formula of ABH shadows that I have worked with, even better than like Modern Renaissance. Like Modern Renaissance was like Anastasia's best palette. I still had issues blending a little, like some of the colors in there, but I had literally no issues blending the shades out in here, no issues with like the metallics, anything like that. Like truly one of the best formulas of an ABH palette in a really long time, so I'm really happy about that. I love the packaging, like it's so beautiful, like the iridescent on it is just so nice. The colors in here are stunning, and it does work on so many different skin tones too. Obviously Jackie said that it towards more deeper skin, but it will work on everyone, and I believe that. Like these shades are stunning, and you guys know I love these kind of shades too. Like this right here is just like my kind of shades, but you also have your browns and your like more you know, like crease shades, and you have a little bit like deeper like taupey purpley shades to do like a smoky eye. You have like that red, the golds. You kind of have everything in this palette. It is such a beautiful palette. I'm so happy that I bought it because a lot of times like, I skipped out on so many ABH palettes because I just really don't care for the color story or the formula. A lot of the times I picked up the Alyssa one because I love Alyssa Edwards, and like I said in that one I did like it, but I had some issues blending some of the shades. It just took forever to blend out, and that kind of like why I stray away from Anastasia palettes. But this one is so good, probably one of the easiest ones that I've worked with in a while, so that makes me really happy. I will say Soft Glam actually has a really good formula as well. I have that one in my kit, but I still think this one is so good, like because Soft Glam is pretty like neutral colors and stuff like that, but this one, it just has like beautiful colors, different from like other Anastasia palettes too. I know like there was comparisons between this one, Norvina, and Modern Renaissance, and I don't really think they're all similar. Like I can see the differences in there. Definitely think it's so worth it. It's such a beautiful palette. I love this look that I came up with. It's so pretty. The names in here, the colors, the formula, it's all 10 out of 10 for me. I really love it. I'm happy they collabed with Jackie. Congrats Jackie, you really killed it with this palette. So yeah, anyways, I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys were thinking about picking this up or still kind of on the fence about it, I definitely recommend it. So if you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.